Hey guys, Garrett here from iOS Pro. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the 3rd generation iPhone SE today. So let's get started. Alright, this is the 64GB iPhone SE in product red. To open this, I gotta pull 2 tabs, one on the top, one on the bottom. And there we go. There's the phone. We're going to put it aside for just a minute. It comes with a USB-C to lightning cable inside. We got the little product red pamphlet here, the paperwork, and one Apple sticker. That's everything that's in the box. I did notice though that it was still using the old school plastic film, but this time it shows what each button does. Now I just pull this off. And I have not done that since the iPhone 11 days. So it does bring back memories. And it does look more of a muted red rather than a bright red. It says product red on the back. Alright, I'm going to power on the phone. Alright, there we go. Now it's starting up. I'll come back to when this is done. The iPhone SE 3rd gen is a spec upgrade from the 2nd gen. Going from the A13 chip to the A15 chip. When it comes to design, the entire design is identical, except for the colors. It does gain 5G support, however, which the previous one only had LTE support. But everything else, like the cameras are the same, speakers are the same, pretty much everything is. Just the processor and 5G upgrades. In running the Geekbench test on both devices, the 2nd gen scored 5481 single, 12,695 multi-core. The 3rd gen scored 7516 single and 19,169 multi. So there's a bit of a noticeable difference on the performance on the scores. But that is the iPhone SE 3rd gen unboxing today. That's pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, give the video a thumbs up for the video. Peace out.